EV6 is Kia's first vehicle to apply on new dedicated EV platform. It allows for a flat floor, which enables diverse interior layouts. And despite EV6's compact exterior dimensions, its 2.9-meter wheelbase results in a cabin space similar to many mid to large SUVs. This means more interior room for you and your passenger to enjoy. But to us, space innovation means more than just roominess. It's about what you see, what you touch, and what you feel when you are interacting with the car, either while driving or just relaxing. In other words, it's all about seamless user experiences. The EV6's integrated curved display is not only beautiful, but offers a truly immersive experience. Its wide and expansive design provides clear, unobstructed visibility. With its AR head-up display, you will be able to receive information in a more intuitive way. And the integrated controller works with LCD soft keys and allows you to customize the cabin matched to your needs. When you're not driving, it's time for you to relax with our zero-gravity seats, which will optimize body pressure distribution for absolute comfort. Now, this is my favorite part of the EV6. You can feel the difference in the materials used on the interior, which make up a key element of our pursuit of sustainable mobility. The seats are made from recycled PETs, vegan leather, or flaxseed oil-tanned leather. In fact, the amount of recycled materials used on the interior of the EV6 is equivalent to over 100 empty plastic water bottles. So as you can see, the EV6 is truly an inspiring space, with much care and attention paid to both occupants and the environment.
Together with its impressive towing capacity of 1,600 kilograms, you can bring everything you need on an outdoor adventure with your friend and family and do it all with no emissions.
EV6 GT's dual motors produce an impressive 430 kilowatt or the equivalent to 584 PS, like many of today's supercars. Its powerful performance propels the EV6 GT from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.5 seconds and a top speed of 260 km per hour. And with electronic limited slip differential technology, all-wheel drive option, you have competent control and dynamic ride and handling in any given road conditions. We've also developed active sound design and GT Drive mode for a more immersive and futuristic driving experience.
Kia, movement that inspires.